If you want, you can. You may think that you can't write a code. It can only be written by talented coder who are having exceptional intelligent brain. No, that's not true. I am here to tell you that if I can, you also can. You need to just change your perception and work little harder. Hard work beats talent. Once I used to also think that it's not my cup of tea. I can't be a programmer. When I started learning programming, initially I did not understand anything about programming. Slowly I started spending time on coding, started writing small programs like sum of two integer numbers. If you practice coding every single day, eventually what was once difficult will become easy. So I believe that everyone who has the capacity to learn can learn how to write code. I never thought that I'll be able to drive. It was beyond my imagination, but now I can drive. So friends, always remember, if you want, you can. No one can stop you. I would like to share few famous quotes. It always seems impossible until it's done. Dreams don't work unless you do. One of the greatest pleasure in life is doing what people say you cannot do. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Lastly, follow your heart. Don't give up. Yes, you can. I am still learning more and more about coding. Will you be the perfect coder? If you want, you can. Do you have the drive? What motivates me to do something new? So friend, make it happen. Thank you.